At number 10, Dwight Ramos with a step-back 3 to beat the shot clock. At number 9, Scottie with an outlet pass to Perez, finishing a finger roll off the glass.
Nice, CJ!
At number 8, Scottie Thompson feeding Junemar Fajardo twice for easy baskets.
Nice, Junemar!
At number 7, Dwight Ramos with a great defensive stop preventing an easy basket.
Oh, nice D!
At number 6, Brownlee with an inside pass to Rhenz Abando for a basket and a foul.
Nice, Perez! Good job, Rhenz! Good job!
At number 5, Gilas with a defensive stop on one end, then converting a basket on the other.
Perez!
At number 4, Junemar Fajardo with an extra pass to JB for an easy slam. At number 3, Japeth Aguilar with a nice pass to Dwight, finishing a lefty and a foul.
Nice guy, Dwight! Nice guy, Dwight!
At number 2, Brownlee with a defensive stop, then translating it to a basket on the other end. And at number 1, Thirdy Ravena meeting the opponent in the air for a monstrous rejection.